I wanna show you how to make smooth and slow motion effect in Premiere Pro. Let's go! First of all, I have already added my video clip to my timeline. The second thing, we need to find the place where we want to add the smooth slow motion effect. As soon as you're done, just press Ctrl K, and in the automatic way you will make the cut. Next, right click of the mouse on the video clip and go to the speed/duration and change the speed value to 25. Scroll down and by the time interpolation, select the Optical Flow and hit OK. Move the slider to the beginning of your video clip and press I, and then move it to the end of your video clip and press O. Now go to the sequence tab and click on the render in and out. The key point of this action is, if you don't do it, the video speed changes will make your video appear choppy and the effect won't work properly. Everything is ready, let's see the result. Help to grow this channel, put your like and subscribe.